Fuel cells are going to play a major role in the future. Our protocol describes a new method for diagnosing of major fail states of these devices, such as degradation, flooding, or poisoning.
Unlike other techniques, as for example electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, this methodology can be used to decouple the impact of specific dynamics on the polymer fuel cell performances, facilitating a less ambiguous fault identification.
The procedure will be demonstrated by Tobias Franz, a master student from my laboratory.
For fuel cell assembly, place the cathode bipolar plate on a smooth and sturdy surface with the flow field side up, and place the gasket on top of the plate aligned with the screw holes. Place the cathode gas diffusion layer in the middle of the gasket and add the catalyst-coated membrane top aligned with the screw holes. Place the anode gas diffusion layer and gasket on top of the catalyst-coated membrane, making sure the gasket aligns with the screw holes. Place the anode bipolar plate flow field side down on top of the gasket and fix the parts together with screws. Next, place the cathode stainless steel end plate on a smooth and sturdy surface and place a rectangular piece of Teflon and a copper current collector on top of the Teflon, aligning both pieces with the bolt holes. Slot the cathode side of the assembled cell unit onto the cathode current collector, taking into account the notches in the flow fields. Slot the anode side of the unit onto the anode current collector, with the Teflon gaskets positioned with the anode stainless steel.